In this video, we're gonna learn how to use XLookup function. Here's the syntax and the argument. So lookup the value is the value that we are searching for. The lookup vector is the one row or the one column range to search. And result vector, this one is optional, the one row or one column range of the results. So I have an example right here. How much money that I have, and there will be a pie chart with the ring type of if you have more than 500, then you afford with the goal of 10K. If you have more than 1,000, then you can afford for the goal of 14K. If you have more than 1,500, you can afford for the goal of 18K. If you have 2,000 or above, then you afford for the goal of 24K. So let's say that if I have only $650, now my prime match is only about $500 with the goal is 10K because I can only afford with the 10K ring if I have less than 1,000 but above than $500. So I'm using the lookup function E3. Let me double click on the cell so you can see E3 is how much that I have, which is the value that I'm gonna look it up for. And then I have the lookup vector, or might as well call array. Array is if my price is matched, or it's gonna look up the price chart and tell me exactly what is the price match for my how much that I have in my buckets, which right here A4 to A7 is the array that return the match value. So as you can see, the match value is 500. Notice that the lookup, if the lookup value is greater than all the value in the lookup value, the lookup match with the last value, which means anything that above 500 but is under 1,000, then it will match only 500 because it's under 1,000. Let's say if I have 1,100, then I'm gonna only get the 1,000 go 14K. And also notice that this is the function that includes the option, which is the vector resolve, the result vector over here. So E3 is my value that I'm looking for, which is how much that I have. Then A4 to A7 is the price range, how much that my money is matching for what price that I can afford, and what type of ring that I can afford to get as well. This is the result vector, which is the return value of the match item if it match. So I have the value over here in E3. If my price match with the column range that I specify, then return me the result at the ring type. So that's why you see that every time when I put in the value, first formula is only returning the matching value, and then the second formula including the option, which is the result vector, then it's gonna return me the second column or the second array that if it match, it's gonna return to me whatever the value that I am qualified for. In this case is if I have 1,100, I qualify for the price match of 1,000, which at 1,000 you can afford for the gold ring of 14K. I hope this helped, and if you would like to have this spreadsheet to practice more or give an example or seeing how it's worked, then let me know, and then I will send you a copy of this spreadsheet. This spreadsheet also including the VLookUp spreadsheet, the HLookUp spreadsheet, and now it's a lookup spreadsheet where you can practice and learn how to use the Excel VLookUp, HLookUp, and now lookup function. Thank you for watching. Comment below if this helpful, and let me know if anything that I can improve to deliver more content that better for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.